Traditionally, municipalities operating in a manner where there's a lack of bulk infrastructure, where together with the uncertainty of lengthy processes, and those are developers' biggest risk. This fragmented approach creates a misalignment between spatial planning on the one side, infrastructure readiness, and then the execution part of financial planning. Now in Swartland, our slogan is that we're not in a municipal business or environment where we render municipal services. We are in the people environment where we render municipal services. The Swartland Development Ready model is based on 5 pillars. And the first one is to keep it simple, clear rules for everybody. The second one is to measure accountability. So in other words, performance is linked to delivery. The third one is to digitize everything because transparency builds trust. The fourth one is to lead by example because responsive leadership drives a positive culture. And then finally, consistency always beats complexity. Apply the same rules for everyone.
The Swartland Ready model is an integrated governance innovation originated from the capital expenditure framework that collaborates with spatial planning, infrastructure planning, and financial planning in collaboration with the integrated development plan. Within this model, we create an coordinated one-stop shop for the investors.
The point of departure within Swartland Municipality is the town planning department. The town planning department acts as the custodian of development. Immediately, if they call the senior town planner, he interacts with me. I interact with the different engineers departments, and within 1 week, we will meet with developers. This is what we call as our one-stop shop.
This represents a deliberate shift from being a regulatory authority and becoming a more active partner in economic development. Our key performance area on building plans smaller than 500 square meters is 20 days, and currently we're on 11.8 days. Building plans bigger than 500 square meters, our average is now 12.8 days. Our measurement KPI is 30 days, and the legislative framework is 60 days. If more municipalities adopt this model, surely we will contribute to the local economy within the municipalities and definitely create jobs much quicker.